I think you'll find that this section 4.5 is real easy, just review. The term scatterplot is where you have a bunch of data. Maybe you go out and do your science fair project. You get a bunch of data, and you graph the data, and you get a bunch of dots all over the place. This is real-world data. This is called a scatterplot. You can think about plotting points, and they're scattered all over the place. Okay, this is to show a picture of the data so that maybe we can begin to understand what's going on here. I want you to notice that it sure looks like as the number of days goes up, so does the weight of whatever this is. Maybe this is the weight of a puppy going up as days go along. So it's trending upward. It sure looks like from the data. In fact, if stuff is trending up like this, when the independent variable, which is the x-axis, goes up, so does the y-axis. This is called a positive correlation. They are correlated, they are related, and they're related positively. Now, what happens when one thing goes up and the other goes down? So, for example, as your price goes up, maybe price of gas. As the price of gas goes up, maybe less and less gets sold. Okay, so as price goes up, we trend down. This is called a negative correlation. Now, if you do your science fair project and you get a bunch of really crazy data like this and it's all over the place, well, I think you'd have to declare there to be no correlation because you can't really see a trend here. No correlation. So here we have grade point average as the hours spent studying goes up. So the more you spend studying, the higher your GPA. They seem to be positive correlated. How about video game usage? As your video game usage goes up, your GPA goes down. All right, and the average time watching TV in a week, and maybe the size of the television. Well, there's just no relationship there. People watch a small TV pretty much as they watch a big TV. Now, a trend line is where you take a ruler and you draw a straight line. And on your iPad, you may want to actually use the straight line feature to try to fit. It's called a best fit line. And this allows you to fill in dots and even predict the future. Okay, so for example, in this case here, as temperature goes up, it looks like the ice cream sales goes up. Now, you could kind of predict the future. What about if it's 28 degrees Celsius? Well, you'd expect the sales to be close to 700. See how I'm trying to predict out here? And what about if it's 21 degrees? We don't have any data there, but we could probably assume it would be about $475 in sales, approximately. All right, so the trend line helps us predict other data points to the best of our ability. All right, that's about it in this section. You're going to be drawing some scatter plots, drawing some best fit lines, and maybe trying to predict using that best fit line. All right, good luck. And this actually wraps up Unit 4 then.